Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Hamsa and I love documenting my life. If this is the first time you've come onto my channel, hi. I don't have a niche right now, but come on, let's build it together. Today's video is going to be a very interesting one because I will be reviewing Zepto Cafe. Like all of us have already known that Zepto has launched their cafe. I've placed an order from Zepto Cafe and it's going to take a while before it reaches me. So in the meantime, I just wanted to share this small thought with you all that we have grown so much. Do you all remember when we used to go to the grocery stores or the departmental stores or provision stores, whatever you call that as, and picking up all the items that we used to list it in the paper and go. And then all these small marts came where you take your trolleys and the baskets and you then pick up the items that you want, mostly groceries and some chocolates and ice creams and all those things added to that. Or if you become a regular customer to one of the marts and they would do a free home delivery, then all the marts came up with an idea of free home delivery within the radius of 1 or 2 kilometers. But now we get it to our doorsteps within 5 to 10 minutes. When Swiggy and Zomato came, we were so excited because we would get the food delivered at home. But then Blinkit and Zepto, Swiggy Mart, oh my god, that's another world by itself. For sure, one thing that these apps have made us is lazy. Also, if you want to look at the pro side of it, for the people who are really busy, who are really caught up, if they've left old people at home or their kids at home, they can easily order stuff. So no matter what you take, be it an app or entertainment or anything, everything has its own pros and cons. Okay, now I think I've spoken enough. Come on, let's dive right into the video. Now that you guys have seen everything that I've ordered, also I have my mom, welcome to my channel, Mother, who joined me to do the taste test because obviously there are a lot of items I cannot eat it alone, and also different taste buds hingirutte anta. So let's see. My mom is a little awkward because this is first time she's sitting like this in the camera setup, so don't mind her expressions. Now let's start the taste test with beverages. First up we have iced Americano. This is the packaging. I really like the way they do the packaging. So who's going to drink the iced Americano? Of course my mom, because I don't do black coffee, guys. They have an eco-friendly rice straw.
Thank you.
Ah, the coffee smells so good. I got the coffee smell.
So good. So good.
Coffee taste is at the right point, but I like my coffee with thick milk and some sugar. I think my mom likes it.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. It's too good.
Yeah, that was iced Americano. So how much do you want to rate it? 10 on 10?
Full.
Yeah.
Full marks.
Iced Americano is 10 on 10.
ಯಾರು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಾಫಿನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
Super. Since it's summer and our body craves for some liquid food, so here I've ordered masala majke. Masala chas is what they say. Guys, I know you can do all of these things at home and drink, but this is just to review a new startup and also for people who really cannot make it at home. So yeah, same packaging as the iced Americano.
ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರಾ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೇನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
I liked it. It's good.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Jeera powder ಇದೆ.
ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Also another thing, it's fresh. A coriander
ತುಂಬಾ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ತುಂಬಾ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
And next up we have a lemon shikanji, which is quite popular in North India. There's like a lemonade with some jaljeera effect to it. Again, it's a summer drink. This is how it looks. Let's taste it. It's the tamarind pulp, I guess. I don't know.
ಮೇ ಬಿ ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ.
It's nice.
ಏನ್
You know,
ಟೇಸ್ಟ್
it's like ಅವಾಗ ಹುಣಸೆ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನ ಒಂದು ವುಡನ್ ಸ್ಪೂನ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಹೌದು.
they used to wrap it and sell. It's
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ-
like that.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಬೆಲ್ಲ, ಜೀರಿಗೆ, lemon. I love it. It's so refreshing.
ಸೀಕೈ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಸೀಕೈ ಚಂದ್ರ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ?
ಕೊಡಿ. It's really good. Really good. I actually like that taste. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಂಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ when I was young.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್.
Thumbs up. 10 on 10. All the 3 drinks so far has been a hit.
ನೀನು ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Cold coffee. Iced brew now. It's not cold coffee, mama. It's iced brew. This is Vietnamese iced coffee. I can give a proper reviews because I've been to Vietnam and I have indulged myself in the coffees, like every coffee. That's a story for another day. That's condensed milk down there. It's a lot of sugar. I'm just telling my mom. My mom liked iced Americano type. She does not like cold milk and anything with it. Anything she does not like. Milkshakes, so ಮತ್ತೆ cold coffee.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಶೇಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುಡ್ದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ.
I just got condensed milk. 1 minute, guys. Actually, ನಾವು ಕಾಫಿನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಬೇರೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. I have to mix it properly.
ಕೊಡು, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
I'll be back.
ವಾವ್, ಸೂಪರ್.
Actually, I've tasted this before Zepto Cafe ಇಂದಾನೆ, but ಅವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. Today it's
ನಾನು ಲೋಹಿತ್ ತರಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಅವ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಲೋಹಿತ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಲೋಹಿತ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ,
ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ ಗೈಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಫಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕಲ್ಲೂ ನೋ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ಐ ವುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ 4.55. That's it. And I've ordered some breakfast options. There was upma, rava idli and mini puri idli. Swiggy and Zomatos are there, but ಏನನ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮೈ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್.
ಸ್ವಿಗ್ಗಿ ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೋಲೆಲ್ಲ 30 to 40 minutes ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ.
This is the puri idli. It smells good. And we have sambar. We have bele and tarkari sambar. Okay, let's do taste test. This is how the idli looks.
ಹೌದಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ.
It's good.
ಯಾಕೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಅಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Give me one more bite.
So good, so good.
Dip it nicely in the sambar.
ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಸಾಂಬಾರಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ದೇ. ನೋಡಕ್ ಹಂಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
This is not the Udupi sambar.
ಹೌದು,
This
ಉಡುಪಿ
is bele
ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ,
sambar.
ಹೌದು.
Here I have upma. I love upma, guys. I know it's a very unpopular opinion, but I love upma, especially what my mother makes. So yeah, taste test. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಡ್ ಚಟ್ನಿ.
ಏನಕ್ಕಿದು?
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
give it taste. ಚಂದ ಉಂಟಾ?
edible, you can eat.
ರವೆ ಉರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
But it's good. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಪ್ಪು ಖಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಈ ವಿಯೆಟ್ನಾಮಿ ಕಾಫಿ ತರ ಇದೆ.
ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ 10 on 10.
ಶುಗರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ.
Upma, okay guys.
ಓಕೆ.
I was like, okay, you can eat. And my mom didn't like it, so how much will you give? 6. 3? Okay. 3 it is. Sorry, Upma. I just ordered these two things in the breakfast section. Now I have a healthy breakfast section, which people claim that it's healthy, but I don't agree. This is a muesli bowl. And my mom is going to taste it because my mom loves to eat healthy stuff. Let's see. Muesli,
Oh.
milk, almonds, and some dried cranberries. ತುಂಬಾ ಎಸ್ಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರೇ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಬೆಸ್ಟ್
Please show it to our audience. Come forward. ಏನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ? They had given honey. Honey, guys.
ಹನಿ ಇಲ್ದೇನೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಇದೆ.
Really? Yes. ನಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಆಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ.
I'm a proper idli, dosa, uppitu, chitrana person. But I do like eggs and omelets, but not these kind of stuff.
ನೋ ಶುಗರ್.
No sugar?
ಹನಿ
But you given honey. Okay, I can eat.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ ನೀನು? ಓಕೆ.
No, I can eat, but I wouldn't order it for myself, but it's there.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು.
You know, this is reminding me of that avalakki ಹಾಲು ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದು. They put fresh pudina. I'm really appreciating the freshness. Everything is so fresh.
ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನೋಡು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾದಾಮ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
ಹೇಳು.
ಮೇಲೆ like ಪ್ರತಿ ಬೈಟ್ಗೂ you'll get 1 or 2 ಬಾದಾಮ್.
ಪೊಮೊಗ್ರಾನೇಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Mama, we still have so much to finish.
ತುಳಸಿನೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
Basil. Yeah, tulsi. Next here I have some chili cheese toast,
ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ಹೆಲ್ದಿ.
to give you guys some options so that you can go for it.
ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
ತಣ್ಣಗಾಗಿದೆ, ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಗುಡ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ. ಅದು ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ.
It's nice. Very cheesy but less chili.
ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು.
Next here we have 1 chicken puff and 1 veg puff. I think this is chicken. Please taste.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ.
It's good.
ಯಾ, ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಪಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
This is chicken.
ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್.
Another puff. I think this is veg. Next up we have some dessert, that is choco lava cake. This is no masterpiece. It's very gooey.
ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು. ಇನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು.
It's very chocolatey, very moussey. We've come to the end of the video. We just have 2 things. One is shunti tea and another
ಅದ್ರಕ್ ಚಾಯ್.
shunti tea.
ಅದ್ರಕ್ ಚಾಯ್.
ಅದ್ರಕ್ಕಿ ಚಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಶುಂಠಿ ಟೀ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬನ್ ಮಸ್ಕಾ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಟರ್.
ಬನ್ ಮಸ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
Because that was a combo. I really like bread and butter, bun and butter. So yeah,
ಟೀ ಬನ್,
tea bun,
ಟೀ
and
ಬ್ರೆಡ್.
those things are all my guilty pleasures. When I'm really sad, I eat them. I'm not even joking. When I'm really sad, upset, Like these are my quick fixes. Anyway, because also like we need 2 minutes because we'll go and heat the tea and come. With the tea we got 2 cups. This one, some tissues and sugar packets. This already has sugar.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಶುಗರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I'm a coffee girl, but I do like occasionally tea.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
It's literally water.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತರಿಸಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಟೈಮ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
There's only ginger and water. ಕಷಾಯ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ವೀಟು ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಸಿ ನೀರು ಮತ್ತೆ
ಶುಂಠಿ
ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
I would rate it 2, guys. And the last one for the day, it's bun maska. Already the bun feels so dry. Oh my god. There's some butter spread inside.
ನೀನು ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಿನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ, ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸಿಗೋದು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್.
It's too dry. Amma.
ಏನಿದೆ ಬಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರೆ? ಬಟರ್ ಜೊತೆ
Nothing, just plain butter.
5-6 ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
But
ನಾಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್, ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್.
bun dry ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಓ ಈ ಕಡೆ
ಜೊತೆ ತಗೊಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ?
It's a thing. You should try it.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದನ್ನು.
ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಟೀಮು. Before we end today's video, I want to ask my mom her top 5 favorites because today we ordered 13 items, and among that, let's see what she likes, what she'll pick as her top 5.
ಟಾಪ್ 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ.
Okay, first one goes to idli. Really?
ಯಾ.
Okay, second for the muesli bowl. Third is shikanji. And fourth
ಒನ್
is our iced Americano.
ವೆಜ್ ಪಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಸ್ಸಿ.
So she has idli, muesli bowl, shikanji,
ಕಾಫಿ,
iced Americano. Fifth place goes to puff and majge.
ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆ.
Okay, mine. I want to tell mine, okay?
ಏನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್?
My top favorite is this. This literally took me to my childhood. Oh my god, it really tastes like that. And namma nange horgade kodistar irliಲ್ಲ. I know how it tastes because she used to make it at home and give it to me. But ಒಂದೆರಡು ಸರ್ತಿ ತಿಂದಿರ್ತೀನಿ without her approval. So yeah, this is my first favorite.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ.
Why are you influencing my choice?
ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ಲಿ.
Second is this. Third is idli.
ಮ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್.
No.
ಐ ನೋ.
No. Fourth, we ate so many, huh? Oh yeah, fourth is this. Fifth
ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ ನೋಡು, ನಾನೇ ಫಟಾಫಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ
fifth
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
would
ಇಷ್ಟ
be actually I don't have a fifth favorite, guys. Bun maska dipped in this no
Tea.
taste tea. Yeah, that's it.
ನೀನ್ ಎರಡು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೇಳು?
I absolutely would never order andre, yeah, I would never order andre tea and upma and the muesli bowl. I would never order. What wouldn't you order?
ಟೀ, ಉಪ್ಮಾ.
ಇದು ಎರಡೇ ಲೈಕ್ ತೆಗ್ದು ಹಾಕುವಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ದೇ ಇರೋದು. ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ದಿಸ್. ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ಸೋ ಗುಡ್. And it's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please subscribe, like, share and comment and let me know what you like and what you didn't. I'll be back before you know it. Ta-ta!